Hello friends, welcome to our official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. Today we'll learn about the topic cycloid. Here is the data. Draw a locus of point on the periphery of a circle which rolls on the straight line path, and for the same the diameter given is a 50 mm. In this case we are given a circle which will roll on the straight line, and for the same we need to find out any point of the circle after rolling on the straight line, what will be the path. Okay, so let us draw a circle and a straight line on which this circle will roll, and we are going to divide the circle into either 8 part or a 12 part. In this case I have divided the circle into 8 equal part. Here is the point P that will be the trace point of the curve. So we'll draw a central line, and as we know that if a circle will complete one revolution, the distance cover is the distance cover is equal to the perimeter, and perimeter is nothing but the pi d, or you can say 2 pi r. So what we'll do, as we have divided the circle into 8 equal part, so that we are going to divide the line also into 8 equal part. So here are the 8 parts, and name is as C, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7 and C8. Now onwards we are going to draw a straight line that will pass through 1, 7, 2, 6 that already have drawn, from 3, 5 and from 4. Now the next step is we are going to take a distance is equal to radius, and from each point, center point C1, C2, C3 will mark to the corresponding point. So as the point is first, we will take a distance is equal to radius, put the pointer on point C1 and make an arc on the line number 1. Likewise for the second, that will be on the second line, for third that will be on the third line, from fourth that will be on the fourth line, from fifth that will be on the line number 5, from 6 that will be on line number 6, from 7 on line number 7, and from 8 on the line number 8. Now we'll point that out. So that will be the point of a trace, and name it as a P, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7 and P8. And by joining this all point, we'll get our curve, and the name of this curve is a cycloid. From the GTU exam point of view, this is a very important question. So thank you for watching our video. Please like it, share it and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.